Hey guys, so I got myself a new set of charging cables, and these are a little bit different than regular charging cables, so that's why I want to show you these in this video. So these are the Magtame magnetic charging data cables. So as the name already says, these cables are magnetic, so they're helping to organize your cables when you're not using them. So especially when I'm traveling, I'm usually having like a whole bunch of different charging cables with me, and I'm trying to keep them organized with different methods. So either I'm using a twist tie, or alternatively here with this iPhone charging cable, I'm just trying to like wrap it in a coil and then twisting it around, and I hope this stays, but usually it doesn't, and it just adds up bunching up in my bag after a while. And then here we have like a more high-powered USB-C cable, and these come with these plastic clips as an alternative to keep them organized, but those are really kind of annoying when you want to put them away, because you always have to fiddle with the clips and put the cable in there. So alternatively, now I have here these magnetic charging cables. So I purchased here two different variants. Here I have the USB-C to USB-C version, and you can see this has 240 watt power rating. So you can easily charge or use these with your high-powered laptop, for example. And then I also got here something for my iPhone, USB-C to Lightning connectors. And you already see this when I'm trying to pull them apart. So the cables are literally magnetic. So when you want to, when you're not using them, you want to just store them, then you can easily wrap these around, and then they're going to stay like this. So they're not going to fall apart, come apart in your pocket or wherever you store them. And they're always going to stay like this until you use them, and then they're actually really easy to pull apart. And in case you have multiple cables, then also you can just stack them together, and now these are going to stay together as well. They're not going to separate as long as you keep them just in your pocket here. Okay, what else? So then there is two different variants of these kind of cables. So this is like the round cable version. So you see here, these are braided outside, and so there's the round cable version, and there's also a flat version. So I prefer the traditional ones that are round. If you have the flat version, if you get those, then it's just a little bit different way of how to roll those up. So the flat cables may actually save a little bit more space than these round ones do. And then of course it's really easy to use them. You just plug them into your power source. This is a USB-C. And then here, in case of the lightning cable, I can just plug this into my iPhone. I charge the phone, and when I'm done, all I have to do is unplug them from both sides, both ends, and then they pretty much rolls itself up, and then I can store them. Same thing, of course, also for the USB-C to USB-C version. So I'm really glad I got these, and these really help organizing my cable mess. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.